Today we are going to visit this nuraghe. It's called Nuraghe Orgono. It's located very close to the village of Ghilarza in the province of Oristano in Sardinia, central Sardinia. 2 kilometers, let's say 2 kilometers from Ghilarza. You will see this nuraghe already. If you come from northern Sardinia, if you come towards Ghilarza, you will see it from the highway on your right. This nuraghe is very ancient. It was dated from around the 17th century before Christ. It's very different from all the other nuraghe that you will find in Sardinia that have been discovered so far, because it's a double nuraghe. You will see this one, you can see already from here, you can see it has the oldest nuraghe down on the bottom, and then on top, the newest part, the Nuraghe tholos. It's basically, this nuraghe perfectly shows the evolution of the Nuragic architecture, of the Nuragic civilization. The oldest types of nuraghe, and then the newest type, called a tholos. Now we go visit all around and also inside the nuraghe. Let's go. We are entering now in the nuraghe, and the first part that we find is the most ancient. The main feature is that it's basically a double nuraghe. The first, the largest, and then on top is the one that is called a tholos. The tholos has been mainly destroyed, but it still exists, we can see, which testifies of how ancient it is. It crosses several eras of the Nuragic time. Now we are entering in the oldest part of the nuraghe.